Jamaicans with disabilities and justices of the peace will be the first citizens to be officially issued with a special National Identification and Registration System (NIDS) cards. That's the word from Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, Floyd Green. Minister Green, who oversees the rollout of the National Identification and Registration System, made the announcement while delivering his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament on Tuesday.
Now is a good time to remind people that enrollment in our National Identification System is voluntary, and it will be encouraged by a robust public education campaign so that our citizens will see the value in having a national identification card.
He says persons with disabilities will need the cards to access services as those without disabilities, but noted that the reality is often such persons are without identification. To get the cards, Jamaicans will have to enroll. According to Mr. Green, the first enrollment site will be opened in Kingston by August.
And that we will have an additional 5 enrollment sites in Kingston before the end of the year. Continuing on that trajectory, Madam Speaker, we will expand beyond our pilot, which will start in Kingston and St. Andrew, and we will put in an additional 8 sites in early 2023 in Greater Portmore, Mandeville, Old Harbour, Black River, Morant Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria, and of course, Montego Bay.
Records at the Registrar General's Department are being digitized. Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, Floyd Green, says the work, which is being done at a price tag of $4 million, will see the digitization of records from as far back as 1930 to the present. During his contribution to the 2022-2023 sectoral debate, Minister Green shared the information on Tuesday.
Digitizing these paper records will yield significant benefits for Jamaicans. People will be able to obtain services at a much quicker rate, minimizing the need to search physical records and enhancing the efficiency of searches.
He says Fujitsu Caribbean Jamaica Limited has been contracted for the project and has already started the work to install the necessary infrastructure at the RGD's head office. According to Minister Green, Fujitsu is also providing training to staff on how to utilize the relative tools for that task and conducting genealogical research.
So far, 48 employees of the RGD have benefited from the training, and we will spend an additional $6 million from our National Identification System budget over the next 2 years to continue upskilling the teams at the RGD.
Minister Green also reported that the RGD's bedside registration program has increased the number of children being named immediately, resulting in establishing identity from birth. He says they now capture approximately 99% of the births in Jamaica. He adds that the bedside registration program will be upgraded with the use of an app under the NIDS project.
We have already, Madam Speaker, procured 60 purpose-built tablets which will be distributed to our registration officers. Upon the launch of the app, our registration officers will be able to populate the birth certificate in real time. What it means, Madam Speaker, is that once the information is inputted by the mother's bedside, it is automatically uploaded on the RGD systems. So where we're heading to is that by next year, Madam Speaker, mothers will be able to leave hospitals or birth centers with verifiable digital electronic copies of their children's birth certificates.
The minister says the work is being done to recraft and create a truly digital society, starting with a transformation of Jamaica's civil registry.